Wong of Up Trend Realty, and welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm very happy to introduce to you a spacious condominium unit in upscale BGC. This 130 square meter 2-bedroom is located in 1 Serendra West Tower by Ayala Land Premier. Hello， 大家好，今天我要为您介绍 One Serendra West 2房高层大景观大露台，在菲律宾繁华的经贸中心的地段，交通出行便捷，生活便利。Before we start our tour, I'd like to invite you to follow us on our social media sites. Details and links are at the description box below. Upon entering, we are greeted by a beautiful living area. A dining table that can easily and comfortably seat 4 to 6 people is placed right next to it. This area has floor-to-ceiling windows that allows natural light to fill the area, and a spacious balcony that I believe is the jewel of the unit since it offers a breathtaking view of the Bonifacio Global City skyline. Imagine standing out here, waking up to this sight while having your morning coffee, and then seeing the city lights greet you as you stand outside at night, maybe while enjoying a glass of wine. Now let us move on to the sleekly designed kitchen, complete with everything that you need to prepare nutritious meals for you and your family. Just beyond the kitchen is a washer and dryer where you can do laundry. And conveniently beside it is a spare room that has its own toilet and bath where you can hang and store your freshly cleaned clothes. It can also be used as a staff room or a stockroom for your storage needs. The sleek and minimalist design continues to run through the 2 bedrooms that are strategically positioned right next to each other. Let's now move on to the master's bedroom. The master's bedroom is spacious. You'll have your own king-size bed, ample closet space, and a huge bathroom. Plus, you'll have your own personal balcony. Here we have a smaller second bedroom that can be used as a child's room. Or if you're living by yourself, it is also big enough to be used as a storage room or a guest room. And since most of us are working from home, you can convert it as your personal office. Outside this room is a separate toilet and bath. Just a quick trivia, did you know that One Serendra thoughtfully combines modern conveniences of urban living with the soothing comforts of wide open spaces and landscape gardens where you can relax, especially during these times? It also has exclusive country club-like amenities such as a dedicated spa, badminton and basketball courts, as well as gyms and swimming pools, plus many more. 所以如果你要找一个舒适、方便、旺中带进在金融中心的高级住家，这套房会很合适您。附近有 Bonifacio High Street 人气旺盛之休闲地方和其他百货商圈。If you have any questions on how to lease this unit, feel free to contact us through our social media sites, and we will be very happy to assist you. Again, this is Wong of Up Trend Realty, your realty matchmaker. Let me match you with your dream home. Thank you for watching. Take care.